Hindi ka magiging milyonaryo sa pag-iipon lang. Imagine kung 25 years old ka right now, nagsisave ka ng 1,000 pesos per month, times 12, that is 12,000 pesos. Kung meron 35 years before ka mag-retire, that's around 400,000 pesos na retirement fund for you. Ano na lang yung magiging value ng 400,000 pesos na retirement fund na yon kapag nag 60 years old ka? Kung meron tayong inflation rate or pagmamahal ng bilihin ng 4% every year. Imagine kahit 2,000 pesos ang sinisave mo every month, maliit pa rin na amount yon. That's why it's very important na dapat part ng savings natin is actually nakalagay into something that is beating the inflation. Dapat may nahahati tayong pera para sa savings, which is yung short-term goals natin, and pera para sa future goals natin, which is dapat nasa mga investments. When you save, you are just keeping the money you earned, and when you invest, you are growing the money you keep.